Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to appear offline on Steam. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you will need to do, so it is actually quite fast and simple. So just open your Steam and then just simply select the Friends tab from the menu at the top left corner of your screen. So it is this part right here. And after doing so, a drop-down menu will open up showing all the different status options that you can choose from, and then just simply search or press invisible. And then there's also another way to appear invisible on Steam. So to use the second method, just follow the instructions on the video. So first, just select friends and chat in the bottom right corner of your Steam. So it is this part right here, and press the arrow beside your name to open the drop down menu. So it is this part, and then just simply select the invisible again from this section. And then to change your status back online, just follow either of the methods outlined that I've told you, and just simply select online. And once you've selected invisible, you will appear offline to everyone else. And if you do decide that you want to chat with a special someone while you're invisible on Steam, you are still more than welcome to do so in the invisible mode. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.